Hello everyone. I hope that you have a great day today. Today I'm going to show you how to use the case statement to solve some simple problem. For example, okay, if you are asked to write a program for a simple Roman numerical converter, then how do you use a switch statement to do that? Okay, so let me move this one aside. Okay, so here's the flow chart of the case statement. Okay, and then let me show you the general syntax. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, the keyword switch, okay, followed by a pair of parentheses in there. You put the relational expression, okay, and then followed by the block of, okay, usually I call it the body of the switch statement, and then inside the block of, okay, statement, okay, then you put a case, okay, and then space whatever integer value, okay, or expression, okay, you want to put over there will be fine, followed by column, okay, and then followed by whatever statement. Okay, usually you will add a break, okay, keyword over there, and then whatever number of cases you want to put over there, you can put in there, and then the default, okay, will be the optional, which means that, okay, if the value you use to check against the values among those cases, if none of them is met, then the statements, okay, after the default will be executed. All right. Okay. So let's see, okay, how we can, okay, write a program, okay, to solve a problem like this. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay. Okay. So for example, okay, yeah. For example, okay, if you are asked to write a program, okay, that asks the user to enter a number within a range, okay, of 1 through 10, okay, and then you are required to use the switch statement, okay, to display its corresponding Roman numeral version of that number, then what do you do? Okay, so and then at the end, okay, you might be asked to do a little bit input validation as well, okay. All right, so let me use the Visual C++ okay, software to do it. Okay, so fire up the software and click File, New, okay, and then Project. Okay. And then I'm going to pick the Win32, okay, console application. The language will be Visual C++. Okay. The project name, you pick it. Okay, so let me call it how to use, okay, switch. Okay, and then click OK, and then click next, okay, and it will be empty project, okay, and then finish, and then let me quickly go to the project, okay, and then add a new item, okay, and then let me pick the C++ source code, okay, and then whatever name you want, you can pick it. Let me pick source, okay, source, and then click add, and then let me put into the basic skeleton code, okay, so IOSTIEM, okay, for the input output, okay, and using namespace, std int man. Okay, let me increase the font size a little bit. Okay, so control key, roll the mouse button forward. There you go. And then I can quickly run it. Okay, even though we don't see any output at all, but it's fine. I just want to make sure everything works fine. All right, so far so good. Okay, so based on the description of the problem over here, okay, it said that, okay, ask the user to enter a number within the range, okay, the range of 1 through 10. So from here, okay, it shows that, okay, will need a prompt sign, cout. Okay, please enter a number between 1 and 10, for example. Yeah. And then again, for beginning programmers, no need to be fancy at all. Just run it. Once you type something, run it, right away. And then I realized that I need an integer to hold the number. So I will just declare a variable, okay, there, and then say number, okay, and then again, I'm not so sure whether the value will be read in correctly, okay, so I will just display the output first, see how it goes, okay, yeah. So now let me run it, okay. There you go, and then assume I type 9. Okay, so basically, okay, once I type 9, I type 9, now it will be stored into the variable number over here. Then I want to make sure that indeed it got stored, okay, into the variable number. So that's why I put a cout statement over here. But then now I can comment it out, yeah. And also, by convention, they recommend you to put the variable, okay, at the top, okay, of your code, okay. So I will do that. All right, so now I can use the switch statement, okay, switch, okay, switch, okay, and then the relational expression, in this case I can put number, okay, and then the body, okay, the body, okay, yeah. Let me move, give myself some more space here. Okay, and then I will put case, okay, one, okay, if it's true, then see out, okay. Let me see, the Roman, okay, uh, numeral version, okay, of, okay, followed by the number, okay, and then followed by, let me press the enter key here, okay. Let me move this one here, it will be easier to read, okay, followed by the constant, okay, is space, and then, okay, it will be 1, there are, yeah, and then apply, okay, so again, nothing too fancy at all, okay, so let me run it quickly, yeah. Okay, let me try one, put it in, okay, put it in, okay, so the Roman uh, numerical version of 1 is 1, which is correct. And then again, I might want to put a little bit break here, okay. Okay, so now I can use the same logic, yeah, okay, for 2, okay, this will be 2, and then this will be 3, and this will be 3, right? Okay, so again, yeah, let me quickly do that. Yeah, so let me try 3, boom, put in it, okay. And then believe me, I mean, if you know, okay, how to do the numbers, okay, from 1 to 3, okay, already, right? To do the numbers from 1 to 10 is piece of cake. And then for validation, you can use the default, okay, okay, here, and then see out, okay, please, okay, enter a value or a number between, okay, 1 and 10. All right, so let me do it. So now assume I enter, let's say, for example, 15. Boom, so it show me that, okay, please enter a number between 1 and 10. So basically, okay, that is the simple, okay, input validation. So again, if someone asks you to write a program like this, there's the basic idea, okay, there's a basic idea, okay, using a switch statement. Again, if you know how to do from 1 to 3, the rest of it just copy and paste. All right, so let me minimize it a little bit. Okay, minimize it a little bit. Again, feel free to pause the video, okay, to watch, to read the code, okay, if it's necessary. All right, have a good day. Okay, yeah, let me stop it.